Okay, we're here with our 1953 Alcort Sunfish zip. We've cut out the letterbox plug repair piece of plywood. Got it trimmed mostly to fit into the hole with the little backer plate underneath. We don't want a super tight fit. We're going to want a little bit of a gap in here so we can have let the thickened epoxy fill that in. That will allow for some expansion and contraction of some dissimilar materials. It is flexible epoxy, and also if the joint's too tight, there would be no room for the epoxy, so it wouldn't hold in very well. So we see a gap about like that. That's pretty good. That's what we're looking for, but where it gets tighter in places, we're going to ease that out a little bit. It also feels pretty flush. There's a couple of high spots. We'll have to check underneath to make sure there's not a little blob of epoxy left over from when we glued in the little backer strip. So it's in there pretty good. I don't even know if I can get it out one-handed or not. Let's see. Might have to suspend video making to go get a oh, here it comes. There it goes. So also we'll ease this inner edge to allow for more epoxy to fit in there. So what we'll go through next is look for these little blobs. It felt like a high spot over here, and sure enough, there's some of this little blobs of epoxy here, and then back here where we've got the frame going across. So, but all in all, the backer's in there nice and solid, so we'll get just a little bit more trimming done. Don't want to keep cutting. We don't have we haven't bought a wood stretcher yet, so let's get that fit in there. And next step will be we're gonna put some special clear, the West System 105 resin with special clear hardener. Put some on the back of this and see what the color comes out, if it comes out close to this darker color, or if it's maybe we need to put just a little bit of stain to try to get it close to match, or I don't know, maybe the skipper wants it to be a totally different color. We'll find out when we wet it up and see if it darkens. Take a little bit of water off the water bottle here. It's gonna darken a little bit, but not a whole lot. But we'll see what the epoxy does to it. So that's what we're working on right now on the 1953 Alcort Sunfish zip. Hope y'all are having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.